10 assets that are making people rich. Here are 10 assets that are making people rich, and that you can start investing in today. 1. Real estate. Real estate has long been considered a sound investment, but in recent years it has become one of the most popular asset classes for wealthy individuals. There are several reasons for this popularity. First, real estate is a tangible asset that can be used as both collateral and security. Second, real estate is a relatively stable asset class, with values that tend to appreciate over time. Finally, real estate provides a steady stream of income through rental payments. For these reasons, real estate has become an increasingly popular asset class for wealthy individuals looking to preserve and grow their wealth. 2. Art. In these modern times, there are all sorts of assets that can make people rich. From stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency, there are many opportunities for those with a head for business and an eye for opportunity. However, one asset that is often overlooked is art. While it may not be as obviously profitable as some other investments, art can be incredibly valuable, both financially and emotionally. For those with an appreciation for beauty, art can be a source of joy and inspiration, something to be treasured for a lifetime. And for those with a more pragmatic outlook, art can be a sound financial investment, increasing in value over time. Whether you're looking to make a quick buck or build a long-term nest egg, art is definitely worth considering as part of your investment portfolio. 3. Collectibles. One asset that has made people very wealthy over the years is collectibles. This can be everything from art to cars to wine. Collectibles have always been popular among the rich and famous, and they continue to be a viable investment for those with the right resources. The key to making money with collectibles is to find items that are going to appreciate in value over time. This can be difficult, as there are no guarantees in the world of collectibles. However, those who are able to make wise investments can see their assets grow significantly in value. With the right knowledge and a bit of luck, collectibles can be a great way to build wealth. 4. Bonds. Although many people associate wealth with stocks and investment properties, bonds can also be a powerful tool for building wealth. A bond is a loan that an investor makes to a government or corporation, and in return, the borrower agrees to make periodic interest payments. Bondholders typically receive these payments until the maturity date of the bond, at which point the borrower repays the loan in full. Because bonds are issued by stable entities with a history of making timely payments, they tend to be low-risk investments. This stability means that bonds typically offer relatively low returns, but they can still be an important part of a well-diversified investment portfolio. For investors who are looking for a way to earn consistent income without incurring too much risk, bonds can be a valuable asset. 5. Gold and silver. For centuries, gold and silver have been coveted as symbols of wealth and power. Today, these precious metals remain prized assets, with many people believing that they are a safe investment in uncertain economic times. While the price of gold and silver can be volatile, these metals have traditionally held their value better than most other assets. In addition, gold and silver are finite resources, which means that their supply is limited and will only become more scarce over time. As a result, many experts believe that gold and silver will continue to be valuable assets in the years to come. So if you're looking to build your wealth, don't overlook these precious metals. 6. Savings accounts. Why are savings accounts making people rich? It all has to do with compounding interest. When you save money in a savings account, the bank pays you interest on that money. Then, the following year, the bank pays you interest on both your original savings and the interest that has accrued. This process is known as compounding, and it can have a dramatic effect on your wealth over time. For example, if you save $10,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%, you would have $10,500 after 1 year. But after 10 years, you would have over $16,000, thanks to the power of compounding. And after 30 years, your account would be worth nearly $40,000. So if you're looking to get rich quick, a savings account may not be the best place to start. But if you're patient and disciplined, it can be an incredibly powerful tool for building wealth over the long term. 7 CDs and savings bonds. For most people, the word asset conjures up images of stocks, real estate, and other high-end investments. However, there are some more humble assets that can also lead to financial security. CDs and savings bonds are 2 examples of modest assets that can offer a predictable return on investment. CDs, or certificates of deposit, are low-risk savings products that offer a fixed rate of return. Savings bonds are similar to CDs, but they are issued by the government and offer a slightly lower rate of return. Although they may not offer the high returns of more speculative investments, CDs and savings bonds provide a measure of financial stability and security. For many people, this is an important consideration when making investment decisions. As a result, CDs and savings bonds should not be overlooked when it comes to building a nest egg. 8. Annuities. Most people think of annuities as a retirement savings tool, but did you know that annuities can also make you rich? That's right, annuities can be an excellent way to grow your wealth. Here's how it works. An annuity is an insurance product that provides a stream of payments over time. You can use annuities to save for retirement, but you can also use them to invest for the future. When you invest in an annuity, your money grows tax-deferred. This means that you don't have to pay taxes on your investment gains until you begin taking withdrawals. And, if you wait until retirement to take withdrawals, you may be able to take advantage of lower tax rates. In addition, most annuities offer a death benefit, which means that your beneficiaries will receive payments if you die before the end of the term. This makes annuities a great way to leave a legacy for your loved ones. So, if you're looking for a way to get rich, an annuity may be the answer. 9. Dividend-paying stocks. If you're looking to get rich, dividend-paying stocks are a good place to start. Unlike other stocks, which simply offer the chance to cash in on a company's success, dividend stocks provide regular payments that can help to compound your wealth over time. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. To maximize your chances of success, you'll want to look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and a solid financial foundation. You also want to make sure that the stock is reasonably priced, and that the dividend yield is high enough to provide a decent return on your investment. With careful research and a bit of luck, you could find yourself holding the key to a very prosperous future. 10. Mutual funds. There's no doubt that mutual funds are an attractive investment. They offer a chance to pool your money with other investors and benefit from the expertise of a professional manager. But before you invest in a mutual fund, it's important to understand how they work. Mutual funds are managed by money managers who invest the fund's assets in a variety of securities, including stocks, bonds, and cash. The goal of the fund manager is to generate returns that exceed the fund's expenses. Mutual fund managers charge a fee for their services, which is typically expressed as an annual percentage of the fund's assets. This fee is deducted from the fund's earnings before they are distributed to shareholders. There are also other costs associated with owning a mutual fund, such as transaction fees and taxes. Despite these costs, mutual funds can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Real estate has long been considered a solid investment, and for good reason. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate in value, provide rental income, and give you a sense of security. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to get rich.